Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this ivy crochet pattern. This is how it looks on the front side and this is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 2.5 mm hook, and we will start by making a slip knot. Next, chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will go to our first stitch here and we will pull the yarn through 2 loops. 1 and 2. Next to the next 2. Pull it through the next 2 again until you reach the end. And join the work here. Next step, we will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make yarn over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And take these 2 loops from the 2 stitches from the left side and pull the yarn and now pull it through 2, next 2, and so on till you reach the end here and join the work. And we will continue the steps from here one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go here through these 2 loops and pull the yarn through it through 2, the next 2, and so on. Repeat these steps until the desired number of these loops, these big loops here. Make as many as you need. I have now 10 loops made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then I will chain 1 and make in this loop 10 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next, I will go to the next loop and make another 10, and so on in each of my 10 loops until I reach the end here. So let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Make sure the work is not twisted. Each time you start a new set of 10 single crochets, because the work tends to twist like this. So always make sure you have the work with your chains below here. I am at my last loop. I have finished the previous ones. I will make here 10 single crochets as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I will turn the work side down, and I will start working in the same way these loops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm also hiding the yarn from the beginning. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I will continue with the second loop as well until the end of my work here. I am now at my last loop here, and I will make 10 single crochets. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we will close the work by slip stitching here into our first single crochet, and we will cut this yarn, and we will make another one in the same way with a second color. I have now made this chain into a second color, and we will assemble them together like this. We will go in the next loop, pick up the next one and bring it in the second loop, like this. Next same, and so on until we have reached the end. And this is our final project ready. This is the back and this is the front. Happy crochet!